Good morning, it is Saturday and we are about to go to London with our cousin, Evie, the legend. Oh, my ear really is hurting. I swear, these second piercings have never fully recovered, Chloe.
That's not good.
No, there's always like a little lump by it, but not like the ear piercing lump that you're supposed to have. It actually hurts. Anyway, we're about to go to London. Basically, she wants to go to Glossier and Brandy Melville. And we're gonna get food, but I'm thinking Five Guys. Does she like burgers? She doesn't like burgers.
I'm not feeling Five Guys.
What?
I'm not. I might be later.
Well, she doesn't like Wagamama, isn't it? Yeah. There's something that she really doesn't like. We were like, you can't be a booth if you don't like that. Oh no, that was roast potatoes. That was Oscar. No, Evie. Evie doesn't like roast potatoes. Don't worry, we'll quiz her on that. I was absolutely shocking. Anyway, I'm really not happy with my outfit today, but you know when you put it on your, I just can't be bothered to check. It's these jeans, right? They're just a bit like bootleggy. And we're going to the old school. This coat reminds me of uni because I used to wear it in uni all the time. I don't like this. I don't like my outfit. I don't like my coat. It's alright, because it's alright. It's alright. It's alright, actually, in case you were wondering. Have I got everything? It's funny, I've never actually seen anyone with this side Fjallraven Kanken bag. Maybe there's a reason for that. Maybe everyone just absolutely detests them. And I've got these little badges on that one of you guys sent to the post box. Post box? To the PO box. No dairy, strap top club, you know it. Am I driving or are you driving?
You want me to, don't you?
If you want. Your car fits in more spaces. She has a smart car. We nearly died. We're here with Evie. And we're about to go to Glossier and get hopefully some bits.
I'm really tempted by the green.
Lying there.
The green one.
The green one? I'll get it, girl. Ready? Parkour. We're in Glossier still, and I've done the brows, and it looks so weird. What have you got?
One mango, one cherry.
Where's she gone?
Right there.
Oh, so basically, went to Glossier. Really nice. One of the workers there said, would you like a picture? And we were like, yeah. And then he was like, I'm a viewer. And then I went bright red. And I'm literally, that picture is the most atrocious. I'm sorry for going red.
On screen here.
No, I literally look like a tomato. It's the worst thing ever. I genuinely feel like I need to go to therapy or something for my face going red. There is no control I have over my face. All my families and friends know it, that whenever they talk to me, I just go red. Even if I'm not embarrassed, that's the thing. So when I am embarrassed, I go even more red. So if you ever do see me out and about and I go red, don't worry, it's just normal. Even my best friends, if I see them out and about in town, even if I'm just like in Tesco's and my absolute best friend is like, oh Grace, hi, didn't know you were here. I just go red. It's so annoying and I can't control it. So sorry if I see you and I go red. I can't do anything about it. Anyway, I'm wanting food now. These two apparently don't.
Yeah, I do.
What should we pick? Look at that dog. Evie just fell over. She fell over. You know, I'm actually I feel so embarrassed. I was so red. Go on.
It was fine. He was a lovely.
He was
he
so
should have got his
nice.
axe.
I know. I feel so bad. Let's sit here whilst we wait for Chloe, who's going for a week. Let's just decide what we want for tea, for lunch, for dinner, whatever you want to call it. Okay, we've decided. Where are we going, Evie?
Shake Shack.
Shake Shack.
Wait. So shouldn't we do Instagram controls I like 24 hours, or a Q&A when I get back to Grace's?
My hand smells of
Which I've
them.
invited myself to.
I wish you lived close. Evie got, what flavour is it?
Oreos, like little chunks. Vanilla and chocolate.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's really good.
My head actually won't fit it. Chloe, it's like, it won't fit. You try it on. Is it small? No, it's Pixel. Not me though. I bought this because I thought it looked nice. And it looked like raspberry. And it literally smells of pure vinegar. Chloe, I can't actually do that. Back from London, can I just say this is absolutely rank. The apple cider vinegar one from Prep. Love the ginger one, don't get me wrong, but that one is absolutely rank. And my brother's friend gave me this to try, which I think we've all seen on TikTok, haven't we? The ordinary peeling solution. And everyone is out right now in my house, and I just kind of want to try it because, like, I have nothing to lose. It's a Saturday evening, just my dignity. So I'm gonna try it. I need to read the instructions though, because we don't want to clean face and wet skin dry. Do not use on wet skin, and then you rinse thoroughly. How exciting! Right, we're gonna use it. This is what it is. It's like a red solution. Oh my gosh! So I put some on. Oh, so oh, it's burning a little bit, I have to say. It is burning, guys. Absolutely burning me. Okay, it's been on for about 3 minutes and it is really burning, and I feel like I should just take it off, to be honest with you. But I know it is supposed to burn a little bit, but it's like really burning. Hi guys, it's Sunday afternoon and...
Do you know?
Hello everyone, welcome. It's Sunday afternoon. We've just had tea. And what did we have for tea? Lunch, dinner, whatever you want to call it. Coq au vin. That was very yummy. I'll show you because Mum and Chloe are having it for school tomorrow. Ta-da! In there.
Stronger.
It was delicious. Now I'm really in the mood to make a cake. I've really been into making big cakes at the moment. It's a thing I've been vibing. And I found this recipe for a mini eggs one, and I'm gonna make it for my parents to take to their staff room tomorrow. Also, don't mind my cheek. And it brought me out in a rash, and it's really sore on my cheek. I need to go to Tesco's. Do you wanna come to Tesco's, Chloe?
Maybe.
I'm gonna go to Tesco's and get some bits for it. I need some mini eggs.
Oh yeah, I've got I need parents with things.
Alright, I'm gonna... Should we go now? Yeah. I just need to see what we have ready for the cake. It's a big boy. Things keeps going on the table because Dad's encouraged her to over the time, haven't you?
No.
Yeah. And I want to see if she'll go on it. Oh. She could not care less.
No.
She'll sit on it.
Don't tell me she's going to sit on it.
I've
Go
tried
on,
it before
Banks.
and she sat on it.
Go on, Banks, you sit on it.
Believe it. Tesco's didn't have any mini eggs. Not one single pack of mini eggs. Absolute sick joke. I'm actually going to make this peanut butter granola bar instead, but that's for the fam. And then I've bought the like pink and purple icing, so we can make it another day. But I'm absolutely outraged at that. How annoying. There were no mini eggs. I tell you, that Tesco's near me, poop. Every other Tesco's, great. The one we have, poop. Okay, it is later on this evening. I made this granola slice, as you can see here. Boom. I also made, because I was finishing up the freeze-dried raspberries from the lemon and raspberry cake, because they're actually going off in April and we can't have them going to waste. And we had some chocolate that needed using, so I've done these chunky raspberry and white chocolate and milk choc cookies, which I'm going to give for my mum to take to school tomorrow. And I am now making some beans on toast. I've just had a bath. I'm in my fine attire. I also made this biscuit tiffin, which I've got to say with white chocolate chunks in, because as I said, Mum wanted me to get rid of some of the chocolate we had. Hello, good morning. I'm having a smoothie. So today is kind of like a productive day. I'm going into school this morning to help with the kids, and I really still want to bake that mini egg cake. If you've watched any of the other vlogs, I don't know what ones have gone out yet. But I really want to make this mini egg cake, but Tesco's didn't have any mini eggs. Can we believe it? Probably because Tesco's didn't have a lot of things because everyone's stockpiling. But I can't imagine anyone stockpiling mini eggs. Never say never, whatever and all that jazz. We'll see if we can find mini eggs. I really need to bake it because I bought the purple and pink food colouring and I just can't stop thinking about it. It just looks so pretty and I just really want to bake it. I need to edit a vlog before I go to school. I actually have quite a lot of editing to do at the moment. I keep putting it off because I just really like filming at the moment. Well, I don't put it off because I get the videos up, but I accidentally just pressed something on the camera, which I don't know what it was. I also look like a 5-year-old today with my corduroy pinafore and a striped top underneath, and obviously my bread loafers, because I can't find my panda ones. anywhere right now, which is a cause for concern. So I just got back from schoolio and I am making myself lunch. I'm making one of those TikTok omelette wrap things where you like cook the omelette and then you add a wrap and whatever filling you want to it. So we've given that a go. I haven't done that before. Let's see. Here she is in the pan. Okay, this afternoon we're gonna make this cake, I swear. I really want to make this mini egg cake. I haven't stopped thinking about it. And I need to find somewhere that sells mini eggs because evidently Tesco's is not the place for it. I've been to 2 Tesco's now and neither Tesco's are doing it. So yesterday for the little girl that I looked after because she had chicken pox, look what the mum gave me. Coughlin's Bakery, guys. If you live near a Coughlin's Bakery, it's like in the southeast of London. I think they're 95% vegan. They might be 100% vegan now. She bought donuts and these like yum yums. How nice is that? That is so literally like that's the nicest thing. Anyway, I'm gonna have this. Let's give it a go. It's nice in there. Could do with some cheese, but I get a thumbs up. That's quite yummy actually. Yeah, I approve of that. Give that the big fat thumbs up. I just spent a little bit of time editing a TikTok. Who have I become? Do I like that person? I'm not so sure. And I'm gonna pop to Sainsbury's because I need to get some cocoa powder and mini eggs and moisturiser and some protein powder. Grace, why are you getting protein powder? You don't go to the gym. Yes, however, when I did that video the other week, got meal prep service, the breakfast that filled me up the most was the one that had protein powder in. It was overnight oats with protein powder, and I'm thinking that maybe I should get some protein powder for when you know when you're like, I shouldn't be hungry right now, why am I hungry? I've just eaten. Maybe it's because I need more protein. So I'm gonna try and find a protein powder to like add to things, which is what I've been doing with chia seeds and sesame seeds lately. I've been adding them to everything to hopefully fill me up a little bit more. One of my favourite things to do is spot my car on the road. Spot my car on the road. If I find a car that is my car on the road, I get really happy, and I've parked next to it, the exact same colour and everything. Really fun. Oh my gosh, I did not expect that woman to have AirPods. She's like 78. You get it, girl. You wear those AirPods. Also, my lip, I keep like ripping bits of skin off, which normally means I'm stressed, but I'm not stressed. A little tiny bit, but it's not really like a reason to be stressed. Anyway, we're at Sainsbury's now. I feel very out of my depth looking at protein powders, and this is so not me. All this stuff. I have no idea. What the heck? They are so expensive. That is so ridiculous. £20. Can you believe it? No mini eggs. 1 pack. Luckily, Sainsbury's have their own micro egg version, but there wasn't even bread flour. I don't know why. I can't imagine like people are buying bread flour. Like, I get that the milk was all gone, hand sanitizers, all of that, but I just don't understand why mini eggs and bread flour. I just have this thing where whenever I go somewhere they sell out of it, which is really annoying. Okay, I am home from the absolute savagery that was Sainsbury's. I'm just gonna have to roll with what I've got, and I need to find my extra baking tin because I don't know if I'm actually gonna be able to do it, because I don't even know if I have the right size baking tins. This cake just isn't meant to be. I don't know what it is about this cake. This box has all of my gadgets that I still use from time to time, but they're not like everyday baking, and I'm thinking this is an 8-inch tin because I just need one more, but it looks like it might not quite be the right size. Guys, here's for the moment of truth. Please be the same size. Oh, it's just a bit small. We might have to do it. This is a big old cake mix, but I'm hoping it's going to be worth it. Oh my word, this smells and looks incredible. I'm going to put it in the 3 tins. Bitter about this one being a bit too small, but we get over it, don't we? Okay, the cake is about to go in the oven. Let's just pray and hope that the oven doesn't fluff it up. You're a good oven, I believe in you. Okay, the cake's still in the oven. I just made our buttercreams. The purple hasn't gone as purple as I wanted. It's more of a grey. which no one wants on a nice spring Easter cake. We want to try and get away from the darkness, from the sadness of winter. We want to step into Christmas. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to separate all of the mini eggs into their little colour piles. So this is the one packet of mini eggs we could find, the one. And then Sainsbury's had these micro mini eggs, which obviously aren't going to taste quite like proper mini eggs, but they could work and look cute like in a clump in the middle. Now one of my fondest memories of childhood is I used to make cards for people all the time. I had this massive craft box and I would just I would literally sit down for a whole afternoon and just make cards for everyone. I loved it. I think part of it came from the fact that my aunt... Mini eggs, there are no pink mini eggs. It's just white, purple and yellow. I never knew that. My auntie is like a craft fair woman. I don't know what you call her. Well, she does mosaic. Oh my gosh, she's smelling incredible. She does mosaics. That's like her job. You've probably seen some around our house. I don't know if there's any in the kitchen. I feel like there is, but I can't see any. And she would always give me her leftover craft stuff, and it would be like the best thing because whenever she offloaded her craft things, man, my card. You know, like actually I never used to spend time on technology when I was younger. I always, there was not one there is pink mini eggs and there just was none in there. I can't believe that. What the heck, man? Okay, and then we're gonna, that's so annoying. Why is there none? Why is there none? You tell me. Why is there no pink? The first two boys are out of the oven, ready to be put on a cooling rack. Okay, all the cakes are out now. I've sorted out my design down here. We've got it all ready to go. And now's the moment of truth when I see how differently shaped the cakes are. Because obviously I have to use a different tin. Let's see how different. That's not too bad. I've definitely seen worse. Okay, so we have our 3 colours in the piping bags. I only have 1 nozzle, so I'm going to save that for the pretty a bit on the top. And don't worry, because those bags I actually wash out and I can reuse, because there's no reason why I wouldn't. It's like a good thick plastic, which is reusable. The cakes are called, I actually just made a granola slice as well, because why not? You know, what is stopping me today? It's actually because I'm procrastinating editing, because I have 3 videos to edit, and that's just how I am right now. I'm just not in the mood to edit. Sometimes you have to give yourself a break to be able to do more. I can do it tonight, you know? I can really crack on tonight. Currently, we've got a big boy. He's a big, big boy. We've got the pink and the purple, and we're just gonna do the white on top. It looks like it might topple over, but it is done. Here you go, here's the big boy mini egg cake. I'm gonna try and put it on a plate now. Basically, I made a TikTok of it, which is actually a lot more effort than it's worth, but I'm gonna try and put it on a plate. That is a big cake. I think all the weight's like squished in the buttercream at the bottom. And we got the mini egg cake. I always like to get an inside shot just to see what it's like. So I'm about to cut it for the first time, which is always scary. So let's hope it's not a timber situation. I'm gonna put you over there. Yay! Oh my gosh, it's so cute! Oh, yay! Let me show you what it looks like in the middle. It is, it's a big, big boy. It looks like he's big. This is how big one slice is. Lol, I need to tidy up this absolute chaos now.